Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo S60 tire easy guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts before lifting. Place wheel chocks at the opposite wheel, find the jacking point under the sill near the tire, and position your jack. Lift the car until the tire clears the ground, remove lug nuts and wheel, inspect brake components, prepare the spare. Follow safety steps and keep tools organized. Gather the right tools before you start to avoid delays and hazards. You will need a jack, lug wrench, spare or repair kit, wheel chocks, and gloves. Check tire pressure on the spare and inspect the spare for damage. Wear eye protection and sturdy shoes, and keep your phone handy for emergencies. If you have a locking lug nut, make sure you have the key before lifting. Stay calm and methodical while working. Quick recommendation: if you want a fresher cabin while you fix tires, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, crisp scent in your Volvo. It hangs neatly and lasts through trips to the shop or long drives afterward. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening lug nuts while the car is still on the ground to prevent wheel spin. Position the jack at the factory jacking point and raise the car until the tire is clear. Remove lug nuts fully, take off the wheel, then fit the spare or replacement wheel. Hand thread lug nuts to avoid cross-threading, lower the car slightly to seat the wheel, then torque lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer specification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.